Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to record a voiceover for YouTube videos inside of Microsoft Clipchamp. So I've got it open here in my browser, and to get started, let's go ahead and click on the record yourself button here at the homepage or project viewer. So just click on try it and it should open up a new video project with the record and create menu open here. If you're already working with an existing video project, simply go to the record and create tab at the top left hand side of your screen. So you should see a few options here. You can record your screen and camera, just your screen, and just your audio. So we're interested in the audio option, so let's go ahead and click on that. The first time you open this menu, you should see a pop-up, usually at the top left-hand side of your screen, that asks for permission to use your microphone. So just go ahead and click on allow, and it's also a great opportunity to double check that the correct input device is being used. So once that's open, you can go ahead and type a script if you'd like. Here's an example script, and it's just a nice quality of life feature to have while recording a video. That way you don't forget anything and you can avoid stutters and pauses. Once that's done, you can go ahead and click on start recording, and after a short countdown, it should start. So you have your pause button if you'd like to take a break and or fix something in the background. You also have your record again button if you just want to start over really quickly, and then you have your stop and review button if you're done recording. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, it takes a few seconds to process. It's really fast, and you should be able to listen to what you've recorded. After a short countdown, it should start. So you have your pause button if you'd like to take a break. So that's what it sounds like. You also have the option to retake your recording if you aren't satisfied with the result. But since I'm pretty happy with what I've heard, I'm going to go ahead and click on save and edit. Once you click on that, it should automatically load into your timeline, and now you can add a video to the voiceover, or if you're using an already existing video project, you can move your voiceover to the accompanying video in your timeline. So that's it. It's really easy to use, really quick, and really convenient. That's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.